Imagine having the freedom to play electric guitar anywhere, anytime, with any effect. Introducing the Jamstack 2, the world's only attachable guitar amplifier. It's the most enjoyable, portable, complete, and impressive guitar amplification system anywhere. At Jamstack, we're on a mission to solve the problem of bulky, expensive amplifiers that take forever to set up and do very little by themselves. Don't play guitar as much as you'd like? Dragging out heavy equipment, untangling cables, messing around with knob settings, all get in the way of inspiration and fun with your instrument. Unlike other portable amps out there, this isn't a substitute until you get back to your real amp. This is the amp you'll want to play all the time. We've used a powerful preamp with custom 2.5-inch drivers and tripled the power to a 30-watt system. That's more than anything else in its class. It's the loudest battery-powered amp of its size. Don't take it from us.
It gets so much sound, like it's real, like its tone is like loud. Yeah.
Sounds great, man. It's really fantastic. It's quite, look at the resonance.
Feels good, man. Feels natural, feels like an amplifier.
But it's not just about volume. With electric guitar, effects are everything. It's where your inspiration comes from. It allows you to sound like your heroes or create your own unique style. With the Jamstack 2, we give you more tone options than any other amplifier. How? Nothing else allows you to plug your phone in directly for effects. Access tens of thousands of studio-quality effects from apps like GarageBand and ToneBridge. But we didn't stop there. We wanted to make it possible for you to pick up your electric guitar and play immediately. Our built-in effects can run simulations of real amps and pedals, not just simple EQs and filters like some other amps. To do this, we implemented the latest ARM-based processor to make it the smartest of the smart amps. Create your perfect sounds and save them for later using the Jamstack 2 control app. Together with wireless backing tracks, you've got a complete jamming system in one tight package. With our attachable amplifier, you'll get acoustic level portability for quick jams anywhere in your house or outdoors. No setup time. Nothing stands between you and your inspiration. Instant access to your sound with control at your fingertips. The new bracket system slides safely under your existing strap button, leaving your strap button alone and giving you an extra one. It's padded with TPE to protect even the most sensitive of guitar finishes. The Jamstack 2 is built to go anywhere with its sleek yet rugged design. In addition to shocking sound quality, recording ability, built-in effects, and an attachable mechanism, we added an extra wireless input for truly wireless guitar or bass accompaniment. And, in an industry first, the ability to beam out to other Jamstack 2s, ska headphones, or your home audio system. The Jamstack 2's value is immense. It's a modeling amp, multi-effects pedal, a Bluetooth speaker, loop station, recording interface, wireless system, a tuner, phone charger, all rolled into one, and comes with an ecosystem of accessories to help you customize your experience. So, what are you waiting for?